Hi guys, so I just got back from um Green Hills. Sorry for the clutter there. Pero, ayun, I bought two things. Ito, yung una is yung contact lenses. And then next is my Muji stuff. So, papakita ko sa inyo. So, una ko nabili is this pencil. This is just 30 pesos. Piling ko naman yan. Next is the ruler. Need that for when I'm gonna do reviews, ganun, or mag-highlight ng stuff. Lalo na gagamit na kami ng DSM-5 ngayon. And I have to make sure na consistent yung magiging highlighting system ko for that. Next two items is ito. Pens ko, I just needed a restock. Tapos, a new mechanical pencil. Tapos, this new stapler, tsaka eraser. Okay, so next na nabili ko is, syempre, my contact lens. The reason why I bought this is because suddenly naalala ko na naglalaro na kami ng volleyball this. So, it's Monday today, January 12, and it's our first day of second year, second sem. So, this vlog will be all about my first day. So, hopefully matapos ko yung araw na makapag-film ako ng maraming clips of my day. So, yeah. Ang first thing na gagawin ko today ay, of course, maligo and get ready for school. So, come along with me and get ready for my first day. Hi guys. Hello. Hi. Okay, so I'm now in school. Naiwan ko kasi nga nagmamadali ako eh. So, we're gonna discuss everything that we talked about earlier. May Kuya Guard sa labas. Very quick update lang from VK. Where did you went and what did you do? And what's the favorite memory? What's your favorite memory? Okay? Game. I went to Boracay and Iloilo, and we had a family reunion. It's very chaotic. My favorite memory is nag-hike kami ng pinsan ko sa dun sa island na pinuntahan namin.
Um, I think it's worth mentioning that I ate a lot of seafoods, like big crabs and seashells. Sarap. And we went, hindi ko ata to na day, pero we went to um, this like a vantage point dun sa, there's a dagat, tapos nasa elevated na lugar kami. And ang ganda. And ang dami namin kinain seafood and sarap. Tapos, for Christmas, I gave gifts for my family. Wow! And ano pa ba ang ginawa ko? Wala, tumambay lang, tapos nag-bed rot. Tumambay, ang dami, oh my gosh, ang dami kong lasing days kasi, pero naging New Year's resolution ko agad na wag na uminom masyado. Ang bilis. Lasing days, as in, she can testify. She's the testament. Testament. Ano, tapos, napunta kami dito sa parang, alam mo yung sa mga probinsya, mga perya, gano'n. Tapos, parang, ang daming ilaw. So, parang sabi ko siya, ganda. Tapos, magkakayak sana kami. Tapos, di natuloy kasi kayak. Tapos, di natuloy kasi ang haba ng pila. Wala kami patience masyado. So, yun. And, ano ka, oh, tapos nag-overnight kami ng friends ko. And nag-swimming kami. And ang saya. And, yun lang. Tapos nanood lang ako ng Stranger Things sa din. And next. Hello. Ay, hindi po sa akin yan. Hindi na po ako nagka-clusters. Actually, nakalimutan ko na yung mga pinuntahan ko, mga lugar. Pero, with the time they took sa pag-recall sa mga ayun nga pala, pumunta pala ako dito. Sa una kong pinuntahan ng Christmas break was nag-check-in lang kami sa Clark, sa hotel. We used to go there a lot. We went there. I was with my parang tita and tita, yung anak nilang isa. Tapos, bali parang ako yung babysitter ng pinsan ko na yun. So like, kung gusto niya mag-swimming, swimming din ako. So like, swimming kami. It was so fun. Actually, lagi lang talaga ako nasa bahay ng friend ko sa Tarlac. Like, lagi ako nandun nakatambay. And almost every time na nandun ako, umiinom kami. Kasi binanggit niya yung perya. So, I went to a perya sa Pampanga. It was my first time. First, huh? Really? Oh. It was my first time going sa like, yung perya na... Kasi you can't call Sky Ranch like perya na ano eh. Kasi it's different. Also, EK, it's different. Right? It's on a different level. So, it was my first time going sa ganun na perya. It was big naman. And I had fun. There was so much food. Yeah. My favorite memory, siguro yung nag-year-end party kami. Kasi sobrang dami namin nun. Oo, alam mo sino nagpa-tarpaulin? Si Russell. Siya nag-edit nun.
Galante.
Ang theme kasi, may theme kasi dapat yun. Ang theme doon, Filipino memes. Walang nag-costume. Walang nagdamit. Siya lang may dala. Alam mo yung dala niya? Yung cut-out ni Mia. Karamiya ba? Hindi. Yung kambal. Karamiya. Meron siyang ganong cut-out. Dinala niya. Tapos, dinikit nila doon. Alam mo yung pipe sa bahay? Dinikit nila doon. Gabi yun. So, nandun lang siya. Tapos, kinabukasan, kasi doon ako natulog. Tapos, maaga ako umalis kasi Sunday. I had to go to church. Tapos, naglilinis yung mom ni Rain. Mahal kasi ni Rain. Nilinis siya ganyan. Nagulat daw siya. Sumikaw daw siya. Kasi nga, umagang-umaga, merong mukha. Nandun sa pipe nila sa bahay. Tapos, hanggang ngayon, nandun pa rin si Mia. Meron na siyang leptospirosis. Hindi ko alam. Hindi, mataas siya. Hindi mo alam. Ano kalimutan yung tawag doon eh. Basta yung, may jaundice na siya. Nag-yellow na yung... Mas marami pang nagdala ng alak kaysa sa pagkain. Meron kami Escobar, meron kami Alpha, may Red Horse, may Smirnoff, kung ano-ano pa. Sobra ding daming soft drinks. So, kinuha ko na isa, niyakap ko na.
Bunch of macho weirdos, guys. You're the best.
guys, we're at Jaff right now. What time is it out there?
It's 1:48.
It's 1:48. And we're gonna do a what's in my bag.
Why are you whispering?
I'm not whispering. This is my ano. This is my bag. What's your bag? Show your bag. Show your bag, Pat.
I like your bag, Pat. It's,
Diba? It's very vintage. Very
tinignan ko
the
yung-
devil wears
tinignan ko yung
Prada.
bags nyo kanina. Inisip ko kung may dalang iPad si Pat. Tapos pagkatingin ko, iba yung bag nila. So, hindi ko lang na...
Show your bags, guys.
So, nice. You show it.
Show it, show it. Bakit ang bilis lang?
Pinahiya. I mean, alam niyo,
Grabe, gine-gatekeep ni Pat yung bag niya. Boosh. Ba't parang mabigat siya ngayon,
iPad
ha?
talaga.
Ah, okay. Very curated yung bag ko.
Where are you related?
Yes. Lahat na makikita nyo dito, kulay, answer,
Item. Black.
very good.
Black.
Tama. Okay, that's my pen. My wallet. It's my makeup bag. It's my my charger case. May lagayan. Pero, alcohol. Yeah. My contact lens case. Okay. So, my perfume, this is heal ng, ng pagkatao yung pag mag-shopping ka sa mood. See, may,
Hindi ko ng pang-hero ito.
tapos, and then this one.
All her pants.
Yes. And this one. And this one. Pwede kayo manghiram. Pwede. Yes. Oo, may mahiramin ka na. Bago. Hindi na yung puchako. Pero bumili din ako. For ano yan, dagdag.
Ano yung pinag mo? Laman yun?
Condom sa wallet niya meron.
Ito lang.
Wow, pen. Okay, charger. Meron din siya. Yes.
Question sa bag. This is box tissue paper. We have this lippy na walang takip. Nasira sa loob. An old ball pen. I don't know saan ko galing. Feeling ko sa church namin to galing. Tapos kinuha ko lang. This receipt from last year. Actually, hindi pa ako naglinis ng bag. Yeah. We have this charger. Hindi man naka-roll, di ba? This is my charger. Hindi kasi nakita ko lang talaga ito sa drawer ng church namin. Ano sabi mo? Parang pulot. Uy, grabe naman. Pulot yun.
context. G-Tech user.
Actually, mas nakakagulat ka na may ballpen ako ngayon dala eh. We have this one. I have a card. Oh. Ito yung actually.
So, mausap siya ganyan.
Galing. Uy! Glue stick. Meron tayong ganito. Nameplate. We have 2. We have 3. And we have my very famous G-Tech.
So, akala namin isa lang.
Akala ko nga wala.
Ganyan. G-Tech niya. Dito na lang. Pulot.
Uy, binili ko to. Binili ko to dati. Ito hindi ko alam saan ko galing. Tapos may mga receipt. Okay. Tapos we have my wallet na sobrang puno ng barya. Barya talaga to. Barya talaga. At napakasabog.
Kahit biganin niya ako tayo.
And then we have my camera. My Canon something. Ay, Nikon pala. Nikon Coolpix. What something. A100. Have this letter from Ella na natanggap namin kanina. Thank you, Ella.
Kung pagkakaiba girl, it's,
Tapos, may babasahin natin yung laman niya. Joke lang.
Ella, thank you. She's the vlogger and she did.
Yes. And then, Next up, may iPad. Grabe, napakakalat ko talaga. We have these, oy, girl, nagulat ako pag bukas ko, isa na lang yung laman. Oh, this is the last, like, most important. Hindi naman most important. May kwenta naman na bago. May perfume. This is from my mom. Yeah. Uy, hindi naman ako ganito ka.
Binawin niya, binawin.
I have my moments.
I have my days.
I have my days. I can be organized. I can be organized. No, actually, magugulat ka dito kasi elementary, I was neat. And junior high. Tapos, kasi may mga dala kami ng LM to junior high. Pagdating ng senior high, wala na laman yung bag ko. Ang laman lang talaga ng bag ko. Mas,
Di ba
like,
napapasok niyo yung bag mo sa mansion?
oo, good. Like, on a good day, mayroon akong yellow pad. Pero on a normal, like, on a daily basis, ang laman lang talaga ng bag ko. Yung school, hindi, yung school diary namin. School diary, kung saan kami nagsusulat ng reminders. Yeah, makeup, yun lang. Ballpen, I don't even have sometimes. Sometimes, isa lang tatag yung dala.
Wala kaming kaso.
Hudson Williams.
Parang kami nagkaso kahit isang kaso wala talaga. Sayaw ng tanan.
Bye-bye. Guys, ay, bye-bye naman.
Bye-bye. Cut. Hi guys, so quick update lang. It's currently 12:22 and papasok pa lang ako. Ngayon lang ako nakapag-get ready. Medyo nalito ako ng gising. Supposedly dapat 9 and pupunta ako kay Andy but ayun, inantok ako. Wala naman akong class. I'll just get ready, put on my makeup and then I'm gonna go na. I'm gonna try to film ng for TikTok today. Since sana, hopefully, may klase na kami. And makapag-film na ako ng maayos. But, gabi, quick update lang ulit. Nag-edit na ako ng iba ko pang pending vlogs and I might upload it by today. So, yun lang. Hi guys. So, ayan. Tapos na ako. And I'm gonna go na. Hi! So, quick fit check. Bye. Hi guys, nasa SB building na kami. Ito na tayo. Mag-start na. Pat, say hi. Hello. Hi. Hi. Okay, bye-bye. Hi guys. Good morning. It's almost 8. I just have to eat. Nakabihis na ako and everything. I just have to eat and then put on my makeup. And then I'm good to go na. So, papata ko na lang quickly yung food ko. This is my third day na for second sem of second year. So, yeah, this is my food. My mom cooked this. It's chicken fingers. Tapos, beroka. So, yeah. I'm gonna put on my contact lenses lang and then I'm gonna eat na and then put on my makeup. Hi guys, so I finished eating now and I'm gonna put my makeup on now and then I have to brush my teeth pa pala bye. Hi guys, done na ako my makeup and it's currently 8:19 so sakto lang for my black and yeah, I gotta go. So quick outfit check lang. So this is my outfit. Bye. bothered sa first son. First volume. Why is it like... Kasi hair is what's up. Yeah, but it's not like this every day. Hindi ko yung podcast. Feeling ko gawin wala talaga itong vlog ko lang. Kasi wala pa naman nakalagay eh. So like, why would there be a vlog? Why are you not wearing blue pants? I couldn't see. Or you couldn't find your... I wasn't able to find any. I was gonna wear white din sana kasi I was like, top part na ito. So, ang pangit ito. Oh my gosh. Ang ikli ng buhok mo dati naman. And he's just waiting for me to come in. Can I try it? Probably not there. A bit longer though. You wanna have a bob? I have a bob na. Yung hair ko na first bob again. King Bob? I love King Bob. So cute. Like this. It's cheaper than pepper lunch. King Bob. King Bob. Kim Bob. Kim Bob, yes. Ano yung Kim Bob? I'm referring to...
In a little while from now, if I'm not feeling any less sound, I promise myself to treat myself and visit a nearby town. Climbing to the top, will throw myself up in an effort to make clear to everyone it's like when you're shattered, left.
Hi guys! So update, it's already... What time is it, girl? Show them. It's almost 12 and it's 2 minutes before our class. Pero wala pa yung prof namin. This is the last day of adjustment period. Is it? Okay. So by next week, wala na akong vlogs kasi busy na kami. Ano yung pinaka, sa tingin mo, kakainin ka ng subject? Chem? Tulog ka? Tutulog ka? Angas mo naman. Saka natutulog ako sa likod.
Imagine mo, first time kong matawag this week.
That's very odd. What? You said it. You said it yourself. But yeah, she's sweet. Only if you know her. Pero pag hindi kayo close and she doesn't like you. Para bang may... Hi everyone, this is Ella and i-insert ko lang yung clip na to sa aking life cycle series. And today is Sunday and it's currently 10:21 na. I'm just gonna show you what I got from Watson's. So, nag-church kami ng family ko and then we went to Robinson's Magnolia and I got some refills for my essentials. First off is wipes. So, this one is buy one, take one. This is my essential. Okay, so next is my pimple patch. Before, I used to get a different one. Pero, when Andy got me this one, ito na yung lagi kong kukunin. This is my foundation. This is a very tipid one kasi hindi naman ako naglalagay like full face. Pero, I don't think that it's good for oily skin. Next one is my Dio. This one. Next, I'm gonna try this blotting paper from Lux Organics by Unclots. Next, I have my Eskinol, my sunscreen. That's all. Bye! Hi everyone! So, hindi na ako nagmamit kasi baka umalis na ako. Tanggalin ko na yung hair ko and then hinayaan mo ng brown and then I'm good to go. Quick outfit checking. I'm wearing tea today because I'm kaka-scroll lang. May natapos ako. 1 1/4 of page ng 134. Inaantok na ako. So, idlik mo na ako. Oh shit. Talaga. I'm thinking if story ko to. Tapos, hayaan ko yung mga tama. Pero ito, nairing ako pag hindi pa ako nagising ng alarm ko. Sabog na talaga. Wala na talagang lumalabas sa utak. Doon ako kasi gumala. Kasi umuwi yung friend ko from Thailand. Hindi naman talaga siya galing Thailand. Nasa Makati lang siya. At gagawa ulit ako. Kailangan ko lang ng sleep. Hi everyone. Okay, so I know I look shitty right now because I'm trying to recover from a very shitty experience. Wala lang. I just don't want this unboxing na ma-miss out yung vlogs ko. So, I'm gonna open it kahit mag-picture ako. I'm gonna show you guys what's inside. But this one's a very special part of my self-journey. So, yeah. Kanina din ako pag-pagpapagpapag because I wanted to see it now. Pero naisip ko kanina, mag-film. Although mamadali ako to attend my class. Buying this book, having this book is something very significant for me kasi if you really know me, you know na psychology is not my main course. And now that I have this, naglalak in na talaga yung decision ko with this course. This is a very special for psychology.